Hi guys, today I just thought to share something very important point which will be help you to your day-to-day life. Even I undergone and I experience, so that's what I thought to share with you, which will be help you to improve your life and not fall into a trouble. We all have our problems. We undergo so many problems personally and private and professionally, and all kind of problems. We try to sort out the problems, but sometimes we cannot sort out our problem because that problem's weightness is so high we can't bear it. So what will happen is we will struggle inside our mind and we try to seek some external sources to get some solution, more than the solution, to pour out all our inner struggling to them in order to keep our mind calm and peace. So you randomly select a person, maybe a friend or a relative. You will go in A to Z. You will pour out everything, your problems related to your personal or business. So, and after that you feel comfort, and he might give, or he or she give some solution also in a good sense. But what is the dangerous point here is, whatever you expose to the other person, it will be turned to be a what we call weapon. So anytime that weapon will be turned against you. So this risk factor is very high, especially today's context, because if people will change, circumstance will change. So whatever you told to that guy to get the relief for the time being, it will be turned against you. So what my suggestion is, this is I undergone and I actually experience it. And the very key thing is, if you are really struggling with some personal problems, you better go to especially if you are a spiritual guy, go to a temple or mosque or whatever the place, and pour out your inner pain to the God Almighty, if you are a spiritual person. But my suggestion is, take a pen and paper, you write down all those things. This is, we call in Western world, it called as a journaling. It's a reflection of your thoughts. So your thoughts, your sorrowful, painful thoughts will be, it all transfer from your mind to the paper. So then what will happen is, your mind will be relaxed, you will be turned to be a calm and cool person, and your problems are lying in the paper. And after a couple of hours or after 1 day's time, if you go through those whatever you written in that paper, you may get a great ideas to sort out those problems without getting any third party interference. This is the best way of, because now God has given, if you believe in God, if God has given to us all kind of things within us. So to solve the problems, everything within us only. So we don't want to go seek somebody's sympathy or somebody's help. If you are a little bit a wise person, you will get your solution. This is what happened in previous generation. They won't share their stories with stories and status. They will think themselves and they decide. So that's what they are so strong mentally, and they, even though that is a very primitive life they had undergone, but still they are very powerful in their thought and their mindset. So this is a small suggestion which I felt to share with you guys. So I hope this will be give some sort of solution to your life, and it will be help you to overcome all your problems in you. If you have any other thoughts, please put it in the comment columns, and share these videos with your friends. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I am planning to every week trying to release a video which contain a lifestyle and motivation and business kind of small discussion or small enlightenment, so you can able to catch some points from those videos. I will meet you the next video. Until such time, sign off from Suresh Rasaratnam. Thank you.